Okay, here's the demonstration for the role-playing experiential activities. I have here two competencies that are basic competencies that I've developed or that have been AI generated. One is to communicate effectively with team members and clients. The other one is manage time and tasks. If we look at the learning objective of this one, we have one about utilizing a digital calendar, because of course I've made this one as a basic evergreen for entry-level position. I like this one, apply time management to prioritize tasks in order to support meeting project deadlines. And actually I'm going to change that, and it's not just project deadline, but I'll say to meeting deadlines for key stakeholders. Okay, so you see the ability to change things. It's kind of keen, kind of cool. So this is two. Okay, we'll generate the curriculum. So basically, we're putting together these learning objectives into basic courses. So this one, we were looking at brainstorming. I think it's this one here. Well, at the end of this course, the student will be able to apply time management technique to prioritize tasks in order to support meeting deadlines for key stakeholders. So I guess you're kind of an assistant. So because this was done before, let's generate the criteria again, because it's a new learning objectives. So, ability to create prioritized task lists based on urgency and importance, demonstration of effective use of time management, consistency in meeting the deadlines for key stakeholders. Now let's do descriptors, which are slightly more applied ways of evaluating things and doing the assessment grid. So for example, to create a prioritized list, we have to identify and rank and then create a task list of that. So update this, because it wasn't, as I said, I did change the learning objective because I added a deadline for key stakeholders. And there we go. Now, I imagine, let's do an activity we can role play on. So, okay, we'll do other, and then we'll say, this is a role play. So, key stakeholders. So let's say the student will play of a coffee store manager, and we'll say we'll play a role of a growing. So there's some always exciting things that happen when things are growing. Now we could also say not give anything, and then we would let the computer choose. Somehow the computer really likes scenarios involving computers, so this time I'm kind of forcing him to use something more that everybody knows, okay? So there we go. So you're a manager of a growing coffee store facing multiple tasks and deadlines to meet stakeholders' expectations. As a coffee manager, you're responsible for overseeing daily operation, managing staff, and ensuring customer satisfaction. You must prioritize tasks, use time management tools effectively, and consistently meet deadlines. So I've got the assistant manager and a regional manager. So these are my stakeholders, right? So now go here and let's start the role play. Now we have to connect for now the chatbot with this specific exercise. So we go here, we copy the connect code, and then implementation later on this month, it's just going to be a button. So it starts with Alex, with the assistant manager. Good morning. We have a busy day ahead. We need to restock supplies, train a new barista, and prepare for the regional manager's visit tomorrow. How should we prioritize these tasks? Okay. So now I'm going to start the role play. I'm not going to say everything I'm typing. You can read along. I just have to think, put myself in the shoes of the manager. What's the other? We have Alex and Taylor. Okay, the original manager. What's his name again? Taylor. Ooh. I'm almost feeling stressed from immediate task and the original manager. Cool. Okay. What does he have to do? What do I have to do, please? How's everything Okay, assistant manager. How do you think we did today? Oh, wow. I like Alex. He's working hard and he's asking for feedback. Perfect. No, maybe not that much. Good, that's the end of the activity. Thank you, that's really kind of you. Okay, proceed with the debrief. How did I do? Performance, you identified and ranked. Spreadsheet with idea was a good idea. Although the explicit creation and shared action plan wasn't fully demonstrated. Yeah, okay. Demonstrating effective use of time management tools, which was here. You mentioned using a Google Sheet to track and provide a clear allocation. However, the use of time management tools, oh, I forgot that, yes. Okay. Consistency in meeting deadlines. You regularly communicated with both Alex and Taylor. Vincent, 25 out of 30. So I got 29 out of 40, which, well, they don't quite match here, but 29 out of 40, that's it's like 3/4, about 70, somewhere in here. Good mastery. You perform well, but to improve, you could explicitly create and finalize a task list, sharing it with your team. Make sure to utilize time management tools, for instance, scheduling specific time slots. Yeah. Continue to ensure consistency in meeting deadlines and perhaps consider additional check-in points. Well, there you go. That's the evaluative case study for our little task here. Thank you. If you want to discuss further, send me an email, michael@puregoals.com. This is the CompetencyWeaver website or tool, actually. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.